Okay, y'all, so we got a couple of packages that came in. I needed a accent chair for the living room, and depending on how it looks for the bedroom, like a little reading nook where I can get out of the bed, where I can read, where I can read my Bible, where I can sit and just say my prayer. So I picked this one up from Walmart. This is the Mainstay blue clay chair, and I got it in the taupe color. So we're gonna open that up together and put it in the living room. I know it's so dark, you guys. The lighting is terrible. So I'm gonna show you what I got to help with the lighting in my house. I picked this up. This is the viral TikTOC tripod light, and it's good to use in emergencies. Men use it in their workspaces. Let me put a lot of men use it in their workspaces, like when they're working on fixing houses or like under houses, stuff like that. But the girlies decided to use this to do like their makeup and just have a well lit background. So anyway, this is the Mainstay blue clay taupe chair. You guys, I had so many problems getting this delivered because people were rejecting the order because it was too big. So I tried my luck again and I ordered it today, and it was delivered. And you guys, a woman delivered it in her truck, and she brought this up herself. So I was amazed. I'm going to tip her very, very well, because I'm sure it was a whole bunch of men that kept rejecting this order. And it looks like it comes put together and it's covered very well. So that makes me happy that I don't have a lot of, I don't have to put it together. Whew. I don't know how she lifted this up. Move there, be careful. I hope it's deep enough and long enough so that way, and it's a swivel chair. So that's the best part about it. So you can, just go swivel in it. Yay, this came put together. Thank you, Jesus. I'm gonna crush up this box. And my kids can drive this to the chute. And you guys, I have steps. So for her to carry this up the steps, God bless her heart. But let's open this up. And this is nice because when I'm moving or painting or have pest control come over and I want something to cover my furniture with, it comes with this cover, and I can just put this cover right over it just to protect the blue shade. And to wash it, the covers and the cushion covers don't come off, so I do have a little green machine that I use to clean like my couch and those hard to reach places. So let's see, you guys. The fact that it already came put together, so there's no work that I would need to do. Let's go ahead and put this baby up and turn you guys around. Oh my gosh, such trouble to. So this is it, you guys, and so far, from what I can see, I am loving it. Look at it. It swivels. It's deep enough. You see, what I really wanted in an accent chair was for this part to come out longer. Bear, wait. Stop. I wanted this part to come out longer so that my foot can at least be like right here. So I'm going to find a chair that does that for my bedroom. But for the living room, she's beautiful. She is beautiful, you guys. See what he wants to do in it? He's about to get kicked out. So anyway, we're going to move it to... Get out! No! Get down. Get... Got a nice throw blanket, which is decorated. Throw pillow there. You guys tell me what you think. Merging is nice for the living room, but I'll look for either I'll get the same one for my bedroom, or I'll look for my foot. Guys, I love this. This is worth it. Let me know what you think. So we got another package, you guys. Okay. This one I picked up from Amazon. I just needed an air purifier. Since I have a dog, it helps with odor, helps with collecting any air or dust, because a lot of dust comes in due to the sunlight. And then Bear chewed up my bedroom remote, so I had to get another one. Hopefully this works, because they said this is compatible with my Hyacinth TV. So we'll see how that goes. And so this air purifier was originally $114. So I left it in my Amazon cart for about a week. I went back and checked, and it was on sale for $69, you guys. So I was like, you know what, let me buy this now before the price goes up. After I made the purchase and I went back to check the price, it went back up in less than an hour for $114. So you got to be careful with Amazon, because the original accent chair that I was going to buy, decided to buy, was bigger than the one that I have there, where my foot will not be my thighs wouldn't be hanging off of the chair. I have more cushion under my leg. I saw that one on sale. It went on sale for $74, and I put it in my cart. But I went on another website just to check before I made the purchase. And when I went back into the Amazon app, tell me why they changed the price back up to the full price to $200 and something in less than 5 minutes. So I missed the price for $74.99, and I don't think it was a flash sale. I think Amazon, they're crooks. They are crooks. So just put things in your cart and try to sleep on it. Wait a few days. But this is the air filter, and it comes with a washable filter. So that's why I specifically wanted this one, because I didn't want an air filter where I had to keep buying new filters for it. With this one, I can take the filter out, I can wash it and reuse it. So this is it, you guys, and I'm just so excited to use it. I wanted it in all black, but the all black was cost more money, so I settled for the white one, which is fine. So this is gonna go in my bed. That's it. I'm gonna get rid of this, these cabinets. I'm gonna sell it on Facebook Marketplace, and I'm gonna buy a new one, but I don't know which one I want yet. It's definitely not going to be black or that tone of wood. And I moved the living room around. I put the olive tree in this corner, left the photo there. I moved the console table behind the couch, so there's like a little walkway. And then I moved the couch up, and I did that because it just makes it better, like when you're sitting with your friends and family, you know, it just makes it feel more intimate this way, and it just looks better. So as you guys can see, the air purifier is connected. I'm so excited. I finally got one for an amazing price. And on this one, they do have pet mode. So that's the mode I have it on now. There's 3 settings, and then sleep mode. Right now I have it in F1, which is the lowest setting, and the noise is not loud at all. But yeah, air purifier, $69 from Amazon. And of course, Bear has to make an appearance. He always knows when the camera is on. He's like, is this my show now? He's so cute. I love sharing these little everyday moments, because this is real life. The cozy, messy, beautiful in between. And he just brings me so much joy. I call him my emotional support, my best friend. He's just a cutie pie. You guys know, if you have pets, how much joy they bring. So I make sure I just take good care of him. And I just want to show you, this is what he does throughout the day, looking for something to do. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to be making some lentil soup. I did get the lentils in the can, organic, and then I got the ones where I have to let them boil out. So I'm not sure which one I'm going to use yet, because I want to cook this fast. We're going to use olive oil. I'm going to go ahead and peel these potatoes. We're going to use celery. I love lentil soup. I'm going to wash these, cut these up and wash these. Comes in packs of 4. We're going to wash, got some organic carrots. We're going to cut this up and wash that. But first, let me do the potatoes, y'all. This is the part I don't like to do. This is one of those meals that feels like a huge hug in a bowl, simply nourishing, and it's just perfect for a cozy day, especially now, you guys, when we are hitting the negative degrees. It's like in the 50s and the 40s in Florida, so it's cold, and I absolutely love the crisp air because it's always hot and humid here. So I'm going to show you exactly how I make mine. It's nothing fancy, just good ingredients and just a lot of love, and it's very high in protein, very, very high. So I use some olive oil, some garlic powder, cumin, allspice, a little bit of salt. I also use some turmeric. I use some onion powder, chicken bouillon, and then I also use some organic vegetable broth. Also use some water. I use celery, carrots, onion, garlic, and I just mixed everything together, kind of just let it fry a little bit. Then I went in and I washed my lentils and I put them in the pot. And I'm just going to let this simmer down and cook for about 30 to 40 minutes. I did use some cilantro.
I also use some spinach, but the spinach I'm going to put in the very end because we know that spinach cooks really, really fast, you guys. This meal is so good. It is so hearty. I highly recommend it. It is very nutritious, especially for those who do like fast, Daniel fast, or only eating fruits and vegetable fast. This is a great way just to get all your vitamins, your protein, and your minerals in and help sustain you during your fast. So, yeah, you guys should try it. Now is the time to do it, especially in this cold winter months. And my children really liked it. It's something I make maybe like once or twice a year.
You guys, I absolutely love the chair and its swirl. I love it, you guys. This was worth every single penny. I put a throw blanket. I'm gonna put a throw pillow on it. And yeah, I just love the whole living room space. It just looks so nice. This chair is so nice. I want another one. I want one for my bedroom. I would do another one of these in the living room. So have two of these in the living room and then put like a little side table in the middle. There, this is not, he thinks this is chair ready. And then get a really comfortable chair for my bedroom so I can have like a little reading nook in my bedroom. You guys, I love this chair. He is such a brat. He's mad at me because I didn't take him out with me to Home Goods to do some returns. But he was being annoying. Right there? Go. Get off the chair. Get to him. Go. We love it, you guys. I would put it in my bedroom, but Bear is going to sit in it, and I don't want him to make this his chair because I already bought him his own bed, and I see what he's trying to do. But you guys, tell me what you think about it. It's absolutely gorgeous, and it comes in like an ivory color, so yeah, I cannot wait for my lentil soup. You guys, it smells amazing. I'm going to list the ingredients in the description and on the screen in case you're curious about it. So yeah, let's go.
Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I pray this video brought you a little peace, a little inspiration, and a reminder to slow down and enjoy the small things. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment, and I'd love to talk with you all. Until next time, stay cozy, stay faithful, and I'll see you in the next video.